Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. So friends, we are going to talk guys iqoo guys double tap to activate problem solve setting. Friends, you have iqoo double tap to activate problem setting. So fine, now let's see how to use iqoo double tap to activate problem setting and how to fix one by one step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, you have double tap to activate problem talkback problem. How to fix talkback? How to stop talkback in iqoo mobile? Use your two finger and you can stop talkback. And once your phone screen is off, use your two finger, you can unlock your device. If you use one finger, you cannot unlock device. Use your two finger, you can unlock phone. Open your phone setting with double tap, continue. Scroll down with two finger, and friends, if you one finger, you cannot scroll down here, you cannot use your device screen. Use your two finger and you can scroll down easily and you can fix talkback double tap to activate problem. Open your phone shortcut and accessibility setting, double tap here, continue. Friends, again scroll down with two finger. Open your phone accessibility setting, double tap, continue. Open your phone talkback setting, double tap, continue. Use talkback option. Friends, click here right side this blue button, double tap, continue here. Stop talkback, double tap, talkback problem solved, talkback problem will fix, and you can use your iqoo mobile screen with one finger. You can use it. Double tap here, talkback off. Now you can use your device without talkback problem. Friends, now you can on any setting. You can tap here, and one tap you can on any setting. So like that, friends, you can fix talkback problem. You can solve your iqoo mobile talkback problem from phone setting. And once again, if you click here, so allow option, click here, and you can use talkback setting with two finger. You can use how to use talkback, how to turn off talkback watermark you want to on, so you can on talkback watermark, double tap here, talkback watermark will show on your screen. So friends, one tap, double tap, continue, talkback problem solved. Bye. Thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, you have any problem in talkback setting, you can ask me in comment section. Bye. Thanks for watching the video.